What we have in this video, the bloopers from the year 2024. So welcome back to Ed and Shaz Adventures. Thank you for watching.
Shit, that was close. What a wanker.
Instead, at Melanganda. You say it. It's not very often you get to see inside our caravan. What are we doing?
And here we have, how was the, where did we go? The
A really nice day.
rosé from France.
From France, yes.
France.
So then we...
What is wrong with you? I am from France, you dick.
And we got the Nambang country music.
Nambang country muster sticker. But the country muster isn't here anymore. Oh, guess what?
It's got an empty glass.
Yes, don't leave it empty and look like that. Just fill it up.
It's quite a bit, isn't it, Shaz?
What's that?
It's,
I'm on the toilet.
oh, have to cut that out.
What the frick? I need to learn to shut the door.
What? What?
You didn't want to interview me.
What? I put these little buggers on it.
Which is corn.
Excuse me, which is corn. They're not little buggers, but they're corn.
Corn ribs.
Corn ribs, there you go. Corn ribs. And good morning, here we are again at Wara. This is unbelievable, isn't it? Kings, the Drive Dramatic.
This is what you get when filming bloody idiots. Cut.
Right, as I was saying, before I got interrupted by that Mr. Whippy the ice cream man with his jingle jangle. No. Oh shit, it was too late. No, you're in there.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, good.
Well, you're in that now.
Oh look, they're there. So close. Joe?
It's just been advanced, it's true.
I know, I had to make a lot of
Sticky, yeah.
Watch out for the hole.
Oh, Liam, watch where you're going.
Lucky it's not burning.
Hello Ed, where are we going?
And I ask me stupid questions like that when I'm concentrating on the road.
See, this is what the roads look like for the last 3.5 hours straight north and barren. See you when we get there, Ed.
Yeah, ciao.
Or from the sun. Mind you, at the moment we need protection from the flies because I feel like I'm a walking advertisement for Caravan. These damn flies! Can someone please pass the Caravan to the lady with the fly net on?
I will make your life fun. Enjoy, have a good holiday.
Got to find the right strap. Wrong strap.
Oh, what do you press?
I didn't press it.
It's on high edition. Highlight added.
I just turned it on and off at the top.
Day you guys, how you guys all going out there? This is getting put on the end of the blooper movies for the year 2024 we were in. So from our last travels, some of the funny bits, some of the stuff that cut out, some of the stuff that you haven't seen, actually most of you haven't seen, and try to put it together as funny as I could. And thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys in the new year coming. We've got 2 more movies coming out before the end of this year, and hope you're going to enjoy them too when I put them together. Cheerio, safe travels.
I was not hurt in this video, but am still going to make your life hell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
From your mind. You know we can only give what I have. I'm sorry I was late today. I didn't get to see you dance the